Peekaboo! 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 Hi! Do you want to be pals with me? Come on, let's play. Learning is so much fun. Happy Valentine's Day! Have you ever heard of Valentine's Day? Valentine's Day is in February. Can you say February? Good job! Valentine's Day is on the 14th day of the month. The number 14 is a 1 and a 4. Valentine's Day is a day to celebrate love. Love makes me think of pretty hearts. We love our family, especially our mommies and daddies. To show you that we love you, we give you big hugs. Big hugs. I love to get hugs, and I love to give hugs. Hugs make me feel loved and safe. Do hugs make you feel good inside? Sometimes, Mommy and Daddy will even give you a little kiss. I love snuggles and kisses. Daddy even likes to take pictures of us when I give him his hugs. My pals enjoy my hugs too. Mommy and Daddy give each other hugs to say, I love you. When I visit Grandma, she always loves my hugs. And Mommy's kisses lets me know everything will be all right.
I love you, Mommy.
Finish the pattern. We have blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. What comes next? That's right, a blue heart. Let's try this one. We have purple, green, purple, green, purple, green. What comes next? You got it right again. It's purple. Wow, you're doing a super job. For this pattern, we have red, white, red, white, red, white. What comes next? That's right, a red heart. Check it out. We have pink, gray, pink, gray, pink, gray. What do you think comes next? You got it right, pal. A pink heart. What about this pattern? We have orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue. What color comes next? That's right, orange. Congratulations! You've earned yourself a gold medal. On Valentine's Day, sometimes people give you flowers. Look at all the different color roses. So pretty. Those roses are yellow like the sun. Look at this beautiful bouquet. This bouquet of flowers is really pretty too. Sometimes you might even get balloons. Look at this love balloon. L-O-V-E. Love. Sometimes You'll even get a cute little teddy bear. She's giving her teddy bear a big hug. You might even get a card with a sweet note inside. Sometimes you might even get a gift to say, "I appreciate you." I love when I get chocolates for Valentine's Day. It tastes so yummy. When I'm done, I'll make sure to get a napkin and wipe my mouth. And don't forget to brush your teeth. You don't want sugar bugs, do you? Look at all these Valentine's Day gifts. These cute hearts are made out of chocolate. Look at all the pretty colors on these heart candies. They have sweet messages on them to let you know you're loved. Oh look, there's a heart-shaped pillow. It has X's and O's on it. X's are for kisses and O's are for hugs. Look at these cute heart glasses. These heart rings are really shiny. How many rings do you see? Yeah, there's 2. This pal cut out a heart for his mama. Do you want to cut out a heart for someone that you love? Come on, let's do it! It's time for arts and crafts. For this craft, you'll need 1 sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, any color yarn, popsicle sticks, a hole puncher, and your favorite colors to color with. First, you take your colored paper and fold it in half. Yeah, just like this. Then, draw half a heart on your paper, like this. Grab your scissors or let your grown-up help you cut out your heart. Almost done with this step. Perfect! We cut all the way around to make our heart. Look how pretty it looks already. Now to coloring. Look at Miss Pat's. I even wrote the word love. When you're all done coloring, grab your hole puncher. You or your grown-up can punch all the way around the heart, like this. Do you see all the holes? They make little circles. Now grab your yarn. Weave your yarn in and out of the holes. Yeah, just like this. Arts and crafts are so much fun. Keep weaving the yarn. Look how beautiful it came out. Now turn the heart around and cut the extra yarn. You can have your grown-up help if you need to. Almost done. Now grab your glue and your popsicle sticks. Put your glue on one end of the popsicle stick, just like this. Now turn your heart around and put your popsicle stick on the back. Look how pretty it looks. Now it's your turn, pal.
I can't wait. I'm so excited. Yay! I got my paper. I got my glitter. I got my glue, my hole puncher. I got my crayons. Surprise! Here's the popsicle sticks. Miss Pat will help me with these. I got my paper and I folded it in half. I drew half my hearts like this. Time to cut it. Look, I did it. Now it's time to color. I can choose any color I like. My favorite color is purple. Oh, the coloring. I can't wait to see how it turns out. Time for a hole puncher. Now for the yarn. Time to weave my yarn. Weaving can be a challenge, but I like challenges. They make me strong. All done. Time for the glue. I got my glue. I'm ready for the popsicle sticks. Look, I put my glue on my popsicle stick. I put the popsicle stick on the back of my heart. I'm so proud of myself. Look how they turned out.
You did it, pal! Congratulations! You've earned yourself 2 gold medals. On Valentine's Day, we like to spend time with the people that we love. We can hang out and play with our stuffies. I really enjoy my dog Stuffy. I really like when Daddy takes some time out to play with me. I like to use my imagination and play house. Oh, look! They're watching Miss Pat. Peekaboo, I see you. He asked his daddy to pick him up, and he's having so much fun playing. This pal is bouncing with his mama. Up, down, up, down. This mama is playing peekaboo with her baby's toes. Silly mama. Mommy always gives me the giggles. Mommy's kisses are the best. I like to show her that I love her by sharing. I love to share my toys, and I love to share my snacks too. I really like spending quality time with the people that I love. Sometimes, Mommy even lets me do big kid stuff with her. We have a lot of fun. I love when Daddy reads me books. He's a really good storyteller. I love to hold Mommy and Daddy's hands when we take walks together. Sometimes we even come across flowers and we get to smell them. Smells so fresh. I always tell my family I love you before I go to sleep at night. Bigger or smaller? Which heart is bigger? The one on the left or the one on the right? That's right. The heart on the left is bigger. Thumbs up. What about these two? Which heart looks bigger? You got it right again. The heart on the right is bigger. Learning is so much fun. Check out these two hearts. Which of the hearts is smaller? You got it, pal. The heart on the right. You're so smart. Look at these green hearts. Which one is smaller? That's right. The heart on the right is smaller than the one on the left. Wow, you're really good at this. Look at these two red hearts. Which of the hearts is smaller? You're right. The heart on the left is smaller. Here's two yellow hearts. Which of the hearts is bigger? That's right, pal. The heart on the right is bigger. Congratulations! You've earned yourself 3 gold medals. You deserve a sweet treat. Today, we're making apple cookies. All you need is 1 apple sliced flat, 1/4 cup peanut butter, 1/4 cup chopped nuts, 1/4 cup chocolate chips, and 1/4 cup shredded coconut. Slice the apples into flat rings and remove the core. Spread the peanut butter on one side of the sliced apple. Then top with your choice of nuts, coconut, and chocolate chips. Did you know? Apples are a great way to assist dental health and hygiene. A study conducted on children stated that consuming slices of apples after meals reduced the occurrence of cavities in children. Chewing apples reduces the plaque area in the mouth, helping to maintain oral hygiene. Apples are also a mouth-cleansing property, offering a tasty way to brighten and shine your teeth. Bon appetit! Sing along! Today we're learning Rockabye Baby.
Rockabye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. But mother will catch you, cradle and all. Baby is drowsy, cozy and fair. Mother sits near in her rocking chair. Forward and back, the cradle she swings. Though baby sleeps, he hears what she sings. From the high rooftops down to the sea, no one's as dear as baby to me. Wee little fingers, eyes wide and bright, now sound asleep until morning light.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. Remember to leave a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. I'm so proud of you. Until next time, pals.